Hey guys, crypto episode 62. So a bit of a rough week. I'm sure a lot of you have had a bit of downturn in crypto if you're in. This is sort of 27,000 down from last week's video. It was worse than that during the week. From Monday down to sort of Wednesday's drop was 55 grandish. All to be expected. This all happened in 2017's bull run. So, yeah, take the rough with the smooth. Had a few good weeks in a row. So, whatever. News-wise, seems like more countries are sort of getting on board. Panama and Ukraine not going quite as far as El Salvador, making it sort of 1-to-1 with the dollar, but certainly putting sort of regulations in place to allow payments and that sort of thing. So it's, not wanting to ban it like some other countries or saying it's going to collapse like other countries' sort of central banks. I think it was Sweden, sort of basically said it's rubbish, it's going to collapse and so on. So fair enough. And I had to just laugh at this one. You can now buy using the post office app. They've teamed up with, I think it was a German payments company, and you can now log into the post office app and buy Bitcoin. So there you go. That's one of the bastions of the UK on board. So looking at the portfolio for the week, so Bitcoin's sort of taken a fair hit. Most of the altcoins are sort of down further than this, but 8%. Again, sort of not too much. We've had, as I say, in sort of 2017, we got quite a hell of a lot more than this. Sort of 20-30% corrections really throughout the year. I think there was 5. Did drop on Tuesday itself. I think it was sort of $53,000 to $43,000 as a sort of real spike low, but recovered in sort of minutes really. So not quite as bad. Cardano 8.2%, had a little move in the last day or so, but back under £2. Still fairly bullish. Ethereum sort of worse, 12.5%. It's just started to pick up, but not sure what's going to happen really in the next sort of week or two. OMG network really bucking the trend, 28%, only 29% up on the week. So very happy with that. Profit take will start to be thought about before long. I was hoping to sort of get 10,000 out of OMG overall. Maybe take a little bit of profit if we're getting much above 10 grand, and then looks like I'll probably get a lot more out of it. Litecoin down a hell of a lot, 16.5%. Saw potentially Grayscale opening an ETF on Litecoin, so that's pretty good. XRP 11%, not too dissimilar to the rest. Stellar a little bit more. It's been sort of following XRP for a little bit. TRON, not too bad really. Did drop earlier in the week, but not even down 2%. Basic attention token, one of the worst, nearly 17%. Fair enough. EOS 16%, again, fairly poor performer. Power Ledger 15%, not too bad. Dash 21.75%. I think that's one of the worst. Internet Computer 23%. I think that is the worst. And then the sort of small caps that I've got, 17% down on Band. Only 2% down on New Cipher. Did have a hell of a spike up during the week, or beginning of the week. Quantstamp 2% down, so that's not too bad. Cocos actually up for the week, so That's pretty good. And Anchor, 18% down, nearly 19% down. So, yeah, bit of a rocky week, but what are you going to do? We hold on for better times, which I'm sure will come. So leave your thoughts in the comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.